Just came to experience Joby City Express. I put 12 ringgits. I got 12 coins. Then I got my clothes in the bag. This is my bag. I got in the bag. Then I loaded 15 kgs. All my clothes for so long. Now we're spinning. I selected bomb. Step 1, load clothes. Then select the temperature. I selected bomb. Insert token. I have inserted 7 token. Then start the button. So now we're spinning. After that, it's over. Now 16 minutes are there. It's about 23 minutes. After that, I'll be drying 15 kg dryer. It's about, I will dry up to probably, it's about 30 minutes I think. 30 minutes, 30 minutes is 5 ringgits. 30 minutes, 5 ringgits. If necessary, I'll dry more. So I'm also enjoying Assam Buya drink. It's a sour, sweet drink. I'm enjoying. Have a great time, my dear, great friends. It's good learning new things. You have to open up to new ideas, new learning. Beautiful. Wish you all the best. Connect. Thank you.